एंड आई होल्ड द गाइडेंस और नॉलेज फॉर दैट। ठीक है, मैं उसी चीज़ के बारे में कमेंट करता हूँ, राइट। बट इस चीज़ के बारे में मेरे को नहीं पता था, इसलिए मैंने आपका इशू रिजॉल्व करने की डेफिनेटली अथॉरिटी से बात करी। एंड उन्होंने मेरे को इशू रिजॉल्व करके दिया कि उन्होंने ICICI बैंक के, हमारे बैंक ऑफिशियल है, राइट, जो बेसिकली इस पॉइंट में एजुकेशन लोन को डील करते हैं, उनके साथ मेरी मीट है। आई एम करंटली इन द बिट्स पिलानी कैंपस। तो जो ये हमारे ICICI बैंक के, जिनके साथ बैंक ऑफिसर से बात हुई है, बेसिकली ये पिलानी के हैं। एंड ये राजस्थान ना, आपके जो भी आपको ऑल ओवर इंडिया ICICI बैंक का जो भी आपकी नियरेस्ट ब्रांच है, आप उधर जाके इसी वीडियो को जो भी है सुन के, जो बैंक डॉक्यूमेंट्स है ना, जो भी सर ने इस पॉइंट में एक्सप्लेन किया है, आप उससे कनेक्ट ले सकते हैं, राइट, कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं। और जो सर ने इस पॉइंट में व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप का मेंशन किया है लिंक, उसके लिए आपको क्या करना होगा, जो आपका बिटसेन गैलेक्सी इस पॉइंट में इंस्टा हैंडल आपको दिख रहा होगा स्क्रीन पे, और एक Seher26 शर्मा का इंस्टा हैंडल दिख रहा होगा स्क्रीन पे। तो Seher26 शर्मा का जो इंस्टा हैंडल है दैट इज माइन, और जो बिटसेन गैलेक्सी का इंस्टा हैंडल है दैट इज द ऑफिशियल इंस्टा हैंडल ऑफ बिटसेन गैलेक्सी, राइट। तो आप उस पर जाके DM करिए, एंड आगे फर्दर हम आपको नोटिफाई करेंगे कि कैसे उस व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप से ना सर से आपको बैंक ऑफिसर जो है इससे कनेक्ट करना है, राइट। अदर देन दैट बस बढ़िया है। जो ये फेज़ आया है आपकी लाइफ में, ये काउंसलिंग वाला, इसको जस्ट एंजॉय करिए। मैं बार बार बोलता रहता हूँ यार, लाइफ आपको डिफरेंट डिफरेंट टर्न्स देती रहेगी, आपको हर एक टर्न से हंसते खेलते बाहर निकलना है, राइट। तो ये भी एक बहुत प्यारा फेज़ है लाइफ का, एंजॉय करिए इसको। तो इसके साथ चलिए वो वीडियो देखते हैं, साथ में बैठ के मैं आपको एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ पूरी थिंग्स, पूरी कॉन्वर्सेशन जो हमारी हुई है। चलिए आइए वो देखते हैं।
तो बेसिकली इसमें ये होगा कि हम जो भी एप्लीकेंट आएगा उनके पेरेंट्स की इनकम देखेंगे। उनके मदर फादर ब्रदर सिस्टर कोई भी ब्लड रिलेशन आ सकता है, उनकी जितनी इनकम होगी उसके बेसिस पर लोन अमाउंट डिसाइड होगा। दिस इज हाउ एवरी बैंक वर्क्स। नॉर्म्स आर फिक्स फॉर ऑल प्राइवेट बैंक्स। तो जैसे किसी की फादर की इनकम 50,000 है एंड ही इज नॉट हैविंग एनी रनिंग लोन्स, मतलब कोई EMI वो पे नहीं कर रहा है, तो 50,000 के इनकम के बेसिस पे हम आराम से उसको 30,000 तक की EMI दे सकते हैं। बाकी 20,000 स्टूडेंट को फैमिली को खाने पीने के लिए चाहिए होता है। तो 30,000 के हिसाब से बैक कैलकुलेशन करते हैं कि हम मैक्सिमम कितना लोन अमाउंट दे सकते हैं। मान लीजिए उसकी 8 साल की सर्विस बची पेरेंट्स की, तो 8 साल का टेन्योर देके मैक्सिमम लोन अमाउंट 20 से 25 लाख का बन जाएगा। वहीं अगर किसी पेरेंट की इनकम 1 लाख है तो 20 का 40 लाख हो जाएगा, और 1 लाख एंड अबव है तो और ज्यादा बढ़ जाएगा। गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? So this is how basic fundamentals work. So the parent is having an income of 35-40,000 and is asking for a loan amount of 20 lakhs, which is fundamentally not possible for us. So we have to understand what are the financials, because bank will always think from recovery point of view. Obviously, we understand the student will get placed and eventually pay his EMI on his own, but we take into consideration in case the placement does not happen, in case something like COVID happens, there has to be a financial guarantor, and that financial guarantor has to be strong enough. Whatever happens to that loan, he will ultimately repay the loan. In case of worst case scenario, this is how the loan is processed at ICICI. Now, what we'll do is, so we have a pan India team. So I look after Rajasthan region. So I'm the regional head for education loans for Rajasthan location. So now this the parameter of loan is we work on pin code basis. I'll tell you the logic also. Now suppose the student is from Gujarat. Now student will obviously fly or will be in the BITS Pilani and then eventually will go to Australia. So meanwhile, when the loan is over, or if you face any delinquency means the customer is not paying the EMI, or he is having any doubt, or he needs a local bank support. That support will be needed by the parent. And when I say parent, it has to be the nearby branch. So getting my point. So if the student is from Ahmedabad, then that case has to be processed from their sales and credit team, which means that bank's internal team of that location will process the case. So first thing we'll have to understand that whatever the student comes in, we'll give you a pan India list of the representatives. The student has to call that representative and he'll take it forward. When it comes to Rajasthan, then obviously Rajneesh is there, Manoj is there, so we'll handle all your cases. But pan India level, we'll give you a list. So getting a rough idea how the loan is processed?
Yes, sir, definitely.
Now, the basic questions about the rate of interest part, we'll have given you the brochure. So, rate of interest is in two parts. So, one is an unsecured loan that is without any collateral.
Yes, sir. So can you explain these things by sharing a screen on the slides that you just gave?
Just a second. I hope I have sharing rights.
Yes, sir.
Screen visible?
Uh, just a minute. Yes, sir. Just.
Yes, sir.
So you can see this bets, we have a special offer. Now, what is the rate of interest that has been written? 9.85 for a secured loan and unsecured is 10.85. Now, what does it mean? When I say unsecured, it's purely basis the financials. We're not taking collateral. Collateral means a property. So if that student is giving us a property which is owned by student or the parent, in that case, the rate of interest would be 9.85. And in case of an unsecured loan, it will be 10.85.
Okay.
So that is the most fundamentally asked question, what will be the rate of interest? So that rate is fixed at 10.85 for unsecured and for secured is 9.85.
Okay. Yes.
And bank will process the application. So there will be a processing charge. That will be 0.5 or 30,000, whichever is lower. So when I say 0.50, means if the loan amount is 20 lakhs, then 10,000. If it is 30 lakhs, then 15,000, 40 lakhs, then 20,000, likewise. Now, if this 0.5% is more than 30,000, let's say if the loan amount is 70,000, then the PF will be 35,000. In that case, we'll take the benchmark as 30,000 rupees. So 0.50, 30,000, whichever is lower.
Yes.
Okay till this point?
Yes, sir.
Now, if we go, so this is the repayment tenure we can offer. Now, what happens is, we also understand that the student is going for a higher education. In that case, obviously, he want to pay his EMI on his own. What we do is, we give a combination. Now, this combination means for a course duration and 6 months. Now, let's say the course is of 2 years, we'll give an additional 6 months. For 2.5 years, the student just have to pay the simple interest EMI. What do you mean by simple interest? Whatever the interest is accrued in a financial year, we take that amount in the form of EMI. Now, let's say the loan amount is 10 lakhs and 10% is the rate of interest. So, 1 lakh rupees will be the simple interest part for 1 year. Simple math, 10% rate of interest and 1 lakh, 10 lakh is the loan amount. So, 1 lakh would be simple interest for one financial year. That will be taken in the form of per month EMI. So, monthly EMI of 7.5K. So this only that much burden will be passed on to the parents, and that will be for a period of course duration plus 6 months. So bank assumes suppose the course is over, we give additional 6 months. Post that the student ultimately gets a job, and then he can obviously pay the principal EMI.
Yes.
So this is the meaning of moratorium period. Now,
Yes, sir.
the parent will be asking, why should I pay the EMI? What is the benefit? Now the benefit is, whosoever is going in a taxable capacity, whosoever is paying a tax, that person can avail income tax benefit. Now, whatever the interest the student is paying in a financial year, the parent while filing an income tax can claim that amount under section 80E. Now, let's say the student is paying 2 lakh rupees as interest in a financial year and parent is paying on his behalf. So, whenever the parent will file his ITR, he can claim that 2 lakh rupees I paid as interest. Now his taxable income will be reduced by 2 lakh rupees. So this is one big advantage that the parents get if they take an education loan. Now, the second advantage, I hope this is clear. If you have any question, please ask.
Sir, can we extend, let us say a student have opted for the higher studies. So can we, he or she extend the period for the repayment of the loan?
Whatever is the course duration, the bank will give an additional 6 months. That is our capital.
Yes, sir. Let us take an example that if I opted for the loan, I am from the 2022 batch. So my repayment duration will be till 2026, the date that I opted.
So your engineering, I assume it's of 4 years. So
Yes,
4.5.
yes, sir.
That will be the moratorium period.
Yes, sir.
4.5 will only charge the simple interest part. Post that, the tenure will depend upon your choice. So 10 to 12 years is the maximum we can go. So whatever the parent is comfortable, the student is comfortable, that period is finalized.
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, whatever collateral, when I say secured loan, what can be given to a bank? Now, bank will take a property or a fixed deposit with ICICI Bank, FD. So that property has to be in the name of parent or the student, then can be taken as a collateral in the loan. And the insurance option is a purely optional option. So if the student wants to take an insurance, he can take. If he does not want to take, we are okay with it.
Yes, sir.
So the documentation is very basic. We'll give you a document checklist. Whatever documents are required, the entire process is online. The student just has to mail the documents, and once the loan is finalized, then he just have to go to the nearest ICICI Bank branch to get the document signed. That is all. So the process timeline, the TAT of closing the case, that is most important part. Once the documents are given to the customer, all the documents that are required for the loan application has been submitted to the bank. Then for an unsecured loan, we need at least 4 to 5 working days. And for a secured loan, 7 to 8 working days.
Yes.
Secured means with property, because it takes a little time for us to evaluate the property. So the bank team will go to the property, they will measure, and then they will release a valuation. So that takes a time. Which is why in a secured loan we take 7 to 8 working days, and for an unsecured loan 4 to 5 working days. Got it, team?
Yes, sir.
Now, one major benefit that I need to highlight, so if the student is going abroad, the second year is going to Australia, Missouri. So in that case, he has to send the tuition fees to Australia.
Yes,
So
sir.
as on date, there is a TCS that is being charged. That is 5% of the transaction amount. Now, let's say the student is sending 10 lakh rupees, 50,000 rupees will be the tax he has to pay. But if the student has taken an education loan, the TCS will be only 0.5%, which means only 5,000 rupees. So this is one bigger advantage that we have as on date, because student takes an education loan. So you can say it's a tax-friendly loan. There is no tax capping. Whatever the interest the student pays, the parent will get a benefit while filing income tax, and also while sending the money outside India, he'll get a TCS benefit of 0.5%. I hope the technical terms are clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now you tell me, guys, what questions you have?
There is some background noise that's coming from your side.
So what happens is, in bank, on month end, there is a closing, which is why you will see a lot of noise happening. But if you schedule a call on first, you will not see a single person sitting in the building. So this is how banks work. Once you get placed, you will get to understand my situation better.
Yes, sir. Yes. Definitely.
बताओ और कोई डाउट है? समझ गए इसका प्रोसेस?
Yes, sir.
So the action levels from my side. I'll create a WhatsApp group. I'll add all the representatives from different states. You
Yes,
just
sir.
have to ping in the customer details in a specific format. We'll guide you. Then that team will take it up.
Yes.
In case of any issues faced, we have the local team at Pilar.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, yes. बोलिए.
Sir, there was one question. Secured loan, as you said that we have to either give any property or a fixed deposit, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
I want to make clear that fixed deposit needs to be of your bank only, or it any other bank fixed deposit.
Sahaj, no, understand one thing. The property is coming with bank. The property paper will essentially be submitted to the bank. Now, with the fixed deposit with the SBI, how can bank have authority over that funds? Getting my point? So,
Yeah.
if we take anything as collateral, then it has to be with the ICICI Bank, because then only we can put a lock on that. तो कहते हैं ना कि गिरवी रखना है, तो गिरवी रखना है तो ओनर के पास गिरवी रखेंगे ना. तो कल को अगर कुछ हो गया, then obviously we will liquidate that funds, which is why we take it as security. So we cannot put a lock on others' account. It has to be our individual account. So be it property, it has to be with ICICI Bank.
Yes, sir.
And sir,
Yes,
one thing I
sir.
wanted to
One-
ask.
Yeah, आ रहा हूँ.
Sir, basically, there is a huge confusion between the students that if a dual degree student can take a loan or not. So he can apply in the first year, or he had to get the BE degree first, then he had to apply.
He can apply. There is no issue on that. He'll obviously get an offer letter which will clearly state the course start date, the course end date. So basically that the loan can be funded.
Yes. So basically, when a child is in its iteration process, and it demands a certain amount, let's say 2 lakhs, that he or she has to pay before coming to the or giving admission to the campus.
हाँ
So
हाँ
basically, इस point of time में बैंक लोन अप्लाई अप्रूव नहीं करेगा. जब एडमिशन हाल ही में हो गई है, उसके बाद ही बैंक लोन प्रोवाइड कर सकते हैं. आगे
yes
जाके
yes obviously the seat has to be confirmed obviously
Yes.
if you give us beforehand and then from then obviously you can't release the funds. There are a certain set of checks and audits that bank does a mandatory part. Now what we can do is if the student is paying 2 lakh rupees upfront and the seat is not confirmed, he can obviously take a reimbursement whenever he gets into the batch. That much we can do.
Yes, sir.
Obviously, we all pay the waiting fees, when the seat is not confirmed. So all that, we give a receipt. This is that we can do a reimbursement in the student's account.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
और बताइए.
सर बेसिकली अब वो फीस जो हम लोन की फीस होती है वो सेमेस्टर वाइज बढ़ी जाएगी ना एक ही साल ना
Yes,
चार.
yes, yes. So this is like a limit. Now, if you get a 20 lakh sanction, that fund will be used basis the college demand. अब जैसे जैसे कॉलेज जैसे 4 लाख का डिमांड करेगा तो we'll pay 4 lakh rupees to the institution. And that is beneficial to the student because obviously he'll pay the interest only on the amount that is withdrawn from the bank. Why would he pay interest on 20 lakhs? So whatever amount he withdraws, that amount interest part will be charged. The bank will take interest only on the amount that is withdrawn. और उसी दिन से start होगा interest.
Yes, sir.
This is fair enough. This is fair for the part of customer as well.
Yes, sir. सर ऐसा कुछ होता है कि सर्टेन अमाउंट हम अवेल कर सकते हैं विदाउट कोलैटरल एंड सर्टेन अमाउंट के बाद कोलैटरल रिक्वायर्ड होता है.
So for bits Bilani, there is no capping. If you add collateral, that will reduce the rate of interest. Now for an unsecured it is 10.85. For a secured loan it is 9.85. That is the only thing. We does not require any security. If the student wants to give, he'll get a rate of interest benefit. So that capping and all is done by the government banks. We don't have policy.
Yes, sir. So if a student is not able to repay the loan, then what are its consequences?
So what happens is it's life's first also. If that person goes to apply loan to any financial institution, he'll never get a loan. So you guys must be aware of a word called CIBIL. So
Yes,
it's life's first loan. If you do a little bit of default at the first loan, I am giving you an open challenge. You will not get a loan for entire life. So one should never ever do such thing. That is why we take a co-leader in the team. We take parents, mother, father, and the brother, sister in the team. You also understand, यार कि अगर किसका placement नहीं हो गया तो क्या कर लोगे? In that case only we take parent as a security. भाई कुछ नहीं तो ये pay कर दे. Getting my point? Which is why I was stressing on the point कि parents की salary क्या है? उसके basis पे वो decide हो.
Yes, sir.
और सर बहुत लोग क्या करते हैं कि
unsecured loan है, खराब हो गया तो हो गया, but यही होता है. तो whosoever takes a default in the loan, और जब भी आपकी सिविल जनरेट होगा उसमें लिखा आएगा कि दिस पर्सन हैज डन अ डिफॉल्ट इन द लोन. अब आप एक बात सोचिए, अगर किसी ने एक्स बैंक का एक्स पैसा खाया है तो नेक्स्ट टाइम वो लोन देगा तो वाई बैंक क्यों देगा? जब उसने एक्स का पैसा नहीं दिया तो मेरा पैसा कैसे देगा?
Yes.
इट्स वेरी लॉजिकल नो.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
तो बस यही होगा, नेक्स्ट टाइम वो कभी लोन ले नहीं पाएगा. अब जो नहीं देना चाहता तो नहीं देना चाहता. अनसिक्योर्ड लोन है तो कुछ चाके को हम निकाल नहीं सकते. प्रॉपर्टी होता है तो उसको लिक्विडेट भी कर देंगे. तो ये है बस, बैंक ये है कि उसका सिविल में ऑब्वियसली रिपोर्ट करेगा कि दैट पर्सन हैज डिफॉल्टेड एंड इज नॉट पेइंग हिज बिल्स. ऑब्वियसली एट सम पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम ऐसा वो 5 साल बाद बोलता है कि नाउ आई हैव द मनी, देन ऑब्वियसली यू कैन रीपे द लोन एंड उसकी सिविल वापस से हो जाएगी. पर ऐसा नहीं सोचता. वैसे on the contrary, for education loan there is hardly any difficulty because students generally करते नहीं है.
Yes, sir. Sir, एक पर्सन
आप बताइए, आप बैंक का पैसा लेंगे कि नहीं देंगे? आप बताओ, आपको मन में नहीं लगेगा कि बैंक से बड़ा आपके? ऐसा होता नहीं है, पर ठीक है, अगर ऐसा होता भी है तो सिविल फिर खराब हो जाती है स्टूडेंट की. और बताइए.
सर बेसिकली अब एमसीएन जो होती है, अगर लेट अस से कि जो बच्चे ने अप्लाई करा है उसने सर्टेन अमाउंट के लिए अप्लाई किया, अब उसको इस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम में एमसीएन जो भी डॉक्यूमेंट है वो अप्लाई हो जाती है, तो उस केस में क्या होगा?
समझा नहीं इस सीट अलॉट हो गई, उसका एडमिशन कंफर्म हो गया।
इन द सेंस कि ने अगले सेमेस्टर के लिए एक सर्टेन अमाउंट 2,90,000 की पे करना है, पर इस तरफ से अगर मैं टेक सीजी ले आता हूँ तो मैं एमसीएम के लिए अलॉट हो जाता हूँ और मेरे को इस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम अपनी फीस पे नहीं करनी होती है। तो इस केस में क्या होगा?
कुछ नहीं होता, विड्रॉ मत करिए, आपको इंटरेस्ट नहीं पे करना होगा। आप पैसा उठाएंगे तो आपको ब्याज बढ़ना है, पैसा विड्रॉ मत करिए। तो गेट अ स्कॉलरशिप, जस्ट लाइक यू गेट अ स्कॉलरशिप, if you're getting a scholarship then you don't utilize that amount, just have a limit. So in case you want you can withdraw, if you don't want to withdraw you will not be charged anything.
Yes sir.
एंड सर वन थिंग मोर कि बहुत बार क्या होता है लैपटॉप या फिर कुछ खरीदने के लिए बैंक्स पेमेंट करती हैं, तो उसका लिमिट
Cover
कुछ है
all
क्या?
type of expenses, be it personal, living, laptop, food, Ola, Uber, everything, not an issue. बस there has to be documentation, proper bill होना चाहिए, ये सब होना चाहिए।
Yes. Yeah.
Baaki from my team, Manoj will be there, Rajnish is there, branch head, and Manoj is there. We will add you all in the common group. But we will suggest that pass on the leads to the student, give them the representative's number, and let him do the follow-up. Because obviously you will be burdened up, we will be burdened up. So ultimately the student has to follow up with that guy. Whosoever is that. Yeah, but in case something happens ना कि मतलब वो respond नहीं कर रहा है या कोई reply नहीं आ रहा है, वो सब कुछ confusion हो रहा है, then I am also. When is that admission starting?
Sir, iterations are starting on the 1st of July. It will be boys will be reporting around 11th August in the campus after 4th iteration.
Do you have any breakup for how many students are coming from which state? Do you have that list?
So there is no such as a list. Around 1100 people.
So 1100 people are coming. Now, how much of them will require a loan? Because anyways, I am considering that they have paid a certain amount of token money to get the seat.
Yes.
So how much probability do you guys know that these people will take a loan?
Not a fixed idea, but yeah, most people try to avail for the student loan.
Around 200 people out of
And,
1100, I guess, sir, they apply for the loan.
And what is the geography like? Will be there from Rajasthan or will be there from Pan India?
Sir, it depends
Sir,
upon the campus.
Where are you guys from? I don't see that you guys are from Rajasthan. Rajasthan से भी no?
No, sir.
No, sir. I am from Jammu.
I'm from
I
Bihar.
got to know that. The accent tells a lot.
Yes, sir.
Even my campus, everyone was from Andaman Nicobar. Also, there was one guy. So we can understand from the accent part.
Yes, sir.
But don't worry, we have a branch in Jammu as well.
Yes, sir.
So you were not aware of that? No, very simple education loan. You should apply well.
I didn't look for education loan. Yeah.
So you should apply now, no? We'll give you a reimbursement of the fees paid.
Yes, sir. Yes, I will definitely think about it.
No, ultimately, we should have a burden, no? When I took
Yes.
education loan, when I went to GIM or when I was in Delhi University, so this happens. Some sort of
Yes.
financial burden has to be there. It makes you feel motivated when you work.
Yes, sir.
और बताइए,
Sir.
ओके डाउट?
नहीं मेरा सर आ रहा था भैया सेठ भैया।
कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, आई एम ऑलवेज अवेलेबल। और बाकी प्रोसेस वगैरह सब आए के हैं, तो अपना मैं ऐड कर ही दूंगा। इनकी कोई डाउट जस्ट कॉल मी और ड्रॉप मी, ठीक है? चलो बाय
Yes.
बाय।